Yesterday, being the 21st of December 2023, my TikTok account at Waterfred1 just crossed more than 10,000 followers, which means that 10,000 real people have clicked the follow button and are also engaging in my content. In order to say thank you, I'll be giving out a free update on how you can earn money on TikTok without any monetary investment. And of course, you already know the style of my videos that I do not beat around the bush, so we are starting right now. But if you are coming across my video for the first time, my name is Waterfred1. So step 1, log into your TikTok account and click on these three lines here, and then you click on Creator Tools. And on Creator Tools, you are going to see Video Gifts. Just click on it and turn it on. And you are going to see Get Gifts on your top performing videos. Gifts are a fun way for your viewers to support your content and help fund your creativity. Okay, you can see the requirements: have at least 10,000 followers, videos must pass moderation to be eligible, your account must have been active for at least 30 days, and all the other requirements. Now, if your account is not yet up to 10,000 followers, it doesn't mean this video is not for you, because tomorrow you can just wake up, post a content or share whatever on TikTok and you go viral. Okay, or maybe if you are always giving out value, you are going to definitely have people follow you. So like this video, save it for later. Okay, so what am I going to do in this case? Just click on turn on gifts, and you can see gifts turned on. So it is just as simple as that. Now, people can be able to gift you on your videos. It's not just your live. This one is different from live gifts. If you click on live gifts, your destiny lies in your hands, oh brother. No go talk say na person do you, brother. Biko make you hustle, oh, one nemo. Ewo, yokoko. Bio, bio, chai, edi kwansa bio, bio. Edi kwansa bio, bio. Isu kamala medie, bio, bio. That's different. You can still go live and people can still gift you while you are live on TikTok. Okay, now just in case if you have any questions, or if you don't understand how this works, you can click on gifts. You can see what I did, video gift, and you click on this question mark button right here, and right here you can read everything you need to know, every single thing you need to know about this method of earning money is just down here. Okay, now I'm going to give you an extra tip of how you can withdraw your money if you've earned some money already on TikTok. Okay, now when you click on these three lines and then you click on settings and privacy, you will see balance. You click on balance, and right there you are going to see where you can withdraw your money. Now if you click on this NGN, you can see with this method I've just turned on this video gift right now. I'm just turning it on, so I don't have any money in it right now. But once you have your funds here, you just click on withdraw. You can see withdraw here. You can see withdraw. Okay, and then if you've not added your bank account, it is then that they are going to ask you to put in your bank account. So you can either fill in maybe your dollar account or your naira account, whichever account that is available, or any account that you want to use and receive your money. You can see the daily withdrawal limit is $100. Okay, and you can as well increase your limit here. Okay, you can also see go live now and collect more rewards. And in case if you want to gift your creators, just in case you want to gift your favorite content creator, what you're going to do is follow the same method, and when you get to this place, click on get coins. Okay, you can see the various prices of coins. You can see if you want to buy 20 coins is 140. If you want to buy 65 coins, 790, 660 for 7,800, 660 coins. So this is just how it works, and it is just as simple as that. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. If you gained any value in this one, please give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. And do please share my videos on social media so that your friends and family too can gain true value just like the way you are getting. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video.